Let's get on with the real show today. We're going to start with a very, very top secret recipe. It is a family recipe that has been handed down over a couple of generations, and it is cinnamon sugar. You need sugar and you need cinnamon. What I do is I fill up the sugar most of the way. And then for the cinnamon, I put in however much I feel like. That's the top secret part, that there's no very specific recipe at all. It is simply cinnamon and sugar but in the end, that's about how you want it. Kind of like brown sugar, but not brown sugar. It's sugar that's brown, it's not brown sugar.